Hi guys, welcome to day 6 for the 12 days of eyeshadow palettes series here on my channel. So we are going to be using another Urban Decay eyeshadow palette today. We're going to be using the Urban Decay Naked 3 eyeshadow palette. So if you want to see how I create this look, then keep on watching. Okay, so I'm going to do my eyebrows on camera this time. So I'm going to use my Oligo Glow Brow Pomade. This is in the color Soft Brown. I'm going to use my Morphe M158 brush to apply this. First, I'm going to brush up the brows. And then I'm going to fill them in. I'm going to do the same thing to the other eyebrow. Okay, once I have the eyebrows on, I'm just going to brush them through again. Okay, so I don't have a brow gel. So what I'm actually going to use is hairspray. Now I'm going to use the Aussie Instant Freeze hairspray. I'm just going to spray a little bit on the spoolie side of the Morphe M158 brush. I'm going to brush this through the eyebrow. Now we're going to go into the palette. I'm first going to prime my eyes using my Burts eyeshadow primer. Same thing to the other eye. Then with my CoverGirl Olay plus Olay Simply Ageless Foundation, I'm going to put this right on the eyelid. This is going to give the eyeshadows a nice base. Same thing to the other eye. The blender is still drying when I cleaned it, so I'm just going to blend it with my finger. And just set the foundation. I'm going to use my Maybelline Super Stay Full Coverage Foundation. And this is in the color Classic Ivory. And just go right over the CoverGirl foundation. Alright, now we can go into the palette. I'm going to take the color Nooner first. You can see this palette has been really loved. I love this palette. So I'm going to take Nooner on my Sonia Kashuk Crease Brush. I'm going to apply this in the crease. I'm going to do the same thing to the other eye. Now I'm going to take the color Factory, which is this one, and I'm going to apply this kind of right below Nooner with my Sephora large angled eyeshadow brush. I'm also going to apply this in the outer third of the eye and in the outer crease as well. Okay, I'm going to go back into Nooner. Okay, with my finger, I'm going to use Trick. I'm going to spray my finger with my finishing spray. I'm going to curl my lashes. For mascara, I'm going to use my Huda Beauty Legit Lash Mascara, and I'm going to go in with the volume side first. I'm going to start with foundation. So I'm going to use my CoverGirl Plus Olay Simply Ageless Foundation, and this is in the color Creamy Natural. I'm going to use a sponge to apply this. So I'm going to take a clean brush. This is from e.l.f. This is a foundation blurring brush. And I'm just going to blend the foundation in. Okay, now we can go into concealer. I'm going to use my QC Makeup Academy concealer palette. And actually this time I'm going to use my Sandy brush number 8. And I'm going to take this shade here. I'm just going to first conceal under the eye and any blemishes. Then I'm going to set the under eye area with my Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage Foundation. And also set the rest of the face with the powder. Next we're going to go into blush. I'm going to use my Essence Sun Club Matte Bronzing Powder with my Real Techniques powder and bronzing brush. Camera, I used the curling and lengthening side from my Huda Beauty mascara. Now we're going to go back into the eyes. So the first shade that I'm going to use again is Nooner. And we're going to apply that underneath the lower lash line. And then we're going to take Factory and apply that to the outer part of the lower lash line. The last thing for complexion, I'm going to go in with my QC Makeup Academy blush palette. We're going to take, let's use this one. Take this shade, blush shade here, and I'm going to use my Shani brush. This is from the 32 brush set. This is brush number 29. I'm going to apply this to the cheeks. To go in with my e.l.f. complexion brush and just kind of blend the bronzer and the blush a little bit. And with my Sonia Kashuk highlighting brush, I'm going to use my LA Girl Glow palette. I'm going to use the highlighting shade, the high points of the face. I literally thought I lost this lip liner. I'm so happy I found it. Or like, I thought I threw it away or something. This is the NYX lip liner in the color Ever. I'm going to line my lips with this. And last thing I'm going to do is second to last actually, I'm going to use my NYX Powder Puff Lippy in the color Squad Goals. I really like these lippies. They're my favorite lip product from NYX. Last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to spray my NYX Dewy Finish Setting Spray. I hope you all enjoyed today's video and see you guys in the next one. Bye!